Would you like a customized keto diet and plan? See our full article linked below. It can also be found on our website blog at www.elementsforlife.com.au. We provide you a complete meal plan and some nutritious low-carb snacks with this personalized keto plan. Each recipe is quick and simple to prepare, sure to taste great, and will fill you up. The best chefs and nutritionists in the world collaborated to create your custom plan. A personalized menu of simple and quick recipes you can prepare at home. Simply cook your mouth-watering, fat-burning delicacies using the included recipes. Use this easy 7-day regimen to aim to lose up to 10 pounds. Thousands of women have lost extra weight from their hips, thighs, and stomach thanks to this approach. What about you? For both sexes, a personalized ketogenic diet plan has a number of advantages, such as better weight loss. A personalized keto plan is more effective for weight reduction than a generic one since it takes into consideration each person's needs, metabolism, and goals. Better control of chronic illnesses. A personalized ketogenic diet can help control blood sugar, lessen seizures, and lower blood pressure in people with conditions like diabetes, epilepsy, or heart disease. Enhanced energy. Individuals can experience increased energy levels and improved mental clarity by adhering to a personalized keto diet that matches their individual needs. Improved sports performance. Some athletes have discovered that a personalized keto diet enhances their athletic performance by supplying constant energy and lowering inflammation. Food diversity is increased since a personalized keto plan takes into consideration dietary limits and tastes, which makes it simpler to follow the diet and prevent boredom. Improved nutrient balance. A personalized ketogenic diet may be created to satisfy each person's specific nutrient requirements, guaranteeing a balanced intake of vital vitamins and minerals. Are you ready for your own customized keto plan? As a reminder, the full blog article is linked below with all the additional information and steps to get your customized keto plan today. For more videos like this, please visit our Elements for Life YouTube channel, and for access to the best holistic fitness and health products, please visit our website online shop at www.elementsforlife.com.au/shop.